So hello and welcome to the Messed Up. In this tutorial, we are starting the rendering of our model. So in the first one, let's first import our model, which is in .abc form or alembic file. So I'm not gonna mess anything here. Just click on the smooth curve and import. So it will import all the boxes here. So in this tutorial, I'll tell you like how to change the appearance of the outer box and the cold block. So let's wait for the complete import. So you can see that the import is done right now. So let's see what happens when I mess with the timeline. Okay, everything goes according to what we want. And okay, it's fine. So let's do few things before starting the rendering. So the first thing which I will do actually to put all of the cold blocks which are from box 1 to box number 962 into a particular group, so that I can apply the materials easily. So just right click and click add to group, model sets, new group. The name will be cold blocks. Press OK. So it's been added. Let's change our timeline here. So let's hide the things which we will not use in this particular tutorial. So I'm not gonna use this guy, neither these. Let me move forward. These cylinders are supposed to be, so I'm gonna hide all of them. Now we are actually fine. So the outer, let me open the image here so that we can see what we want to do. So we'll be rendering our image like this. So there's a change in the video. You will have seen the logo in the platinum, but I found the tone to be much better. So the outer box is actually the glass and the sapphire. So in this, let's put glass in the outer body. So to put the glass, let's just go to material, glass. So outer body is consist of the solid glass, which is white. I have used solid. So you can see now I just copy it and paste linked material here, paste material, and in this case also paste material. So it's been applied. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to apply the frosted glass on these three chimneys which I have. Okay, before that, just copy this, and we also have to apply glass here. Paste material. It has to also to be paste linked material so that changes will be uniform to the whole structure. So we're done here. The next thing is applying. Okay, I am gonna apply light frost on the top of the chimney. So just paste linked material. It's fine. I am gonna actually reduce the transparency distance here. Just okay, it's fine. Now the time for the logo. For the logo, I have used the tone material. Tone material is used to represent the sketches. If you have a model and you want to present a sketch, then you can use tone material, but I kind of like to use that material here. So let's just select these logo. So okay, it is from here to here, so it is selected. Now go to the tone. I'm just gonna select copy and paste linked material. Now it's just white. So what I have done in the logo, Let's just take it upward. Let's make the environment dark so that we can view better. So in the image, the logo is much like in yellow color. So let's work around that. Go to the edit material and set the color. I use this one. And now I'm gonna increase some transparency, because the material where it is used is a glass, so it gives a very good effect. And contour quality actually decides. If you drop it down to the 0, it will form the sharp edges. If you take it to the top, it will make smooth edges, but I want sharp edges, so I took it to the 0. So we're done with this one too. Now the next thing that is actually rendering the coal. So let's work up with the coal. So I'm gonna hide all of the things which I have accessed right now. So so I'm left with this coal. So let's focus on this guy. So coal is also a tone material. So I'm just gonna drag and drop on this particular guy and go to the edit material graph. And for the coal, I have used a texture. Let me bring that guy here. So this was the texture which I used in the coal. I applied this texture to 3 things: color, contour width, and bump. It seemed fine actually. And width. Okay, it's already applied. Next is the bump. So let's change the properties of the texture. So I want the size to be around 16 actually. Let's just increase it. 16. That's fine. Now I go to the tone properties. So set the contour angle to the 50. And here I don't want any kind of transparency in this case, because it's a coal and I want light source, shadows, and contour quality to be at the 1. And the last change I will make after applying this material to every coal, because that is the one which makes it actually look like coal. If you look at the coal, you will find a reddish color light coming out of it, which is let's work on that light. So you can do it by going to, let me zoom out first. You can do it by going to the shadow. I'm choosing red as the shadow. So you can just increase the shadow strength and see what's happening. You can increase all the way down here and you will see the thing actually starts to look like a coal. When we use the dark environment, let's use dark environment here. So you will find it to be pretty much nice. So shadow strength is what you can tweak. Let's make it to point. Let's reduce it actually. And let's bring all of our other things back. Okay, so it seems like we have to reduce it. Shadow strength. Let's reduce it more. Okay, there has been a problem that the same material has been applied to the logo. so we can tweak it later. To work around that, let's quickly move to what we were doing with the logo. I'm just gonna paste linked material here, edit it quickly to yellow what it was, and decrease it and increase the transparency. So we are kind of done here, because and I have to hide this block 963 because that was the reference box I have used for the fire. So you can see we are actually done with the coal and this guy. So in the next tutorial I'll be telling you like how I have rendered the fire. Actually these guys has to be hidden. So let's see a quick animation before I end the video. Okay, let's just see. So when I take it backwards, all of our coal is on in air, and when I just, you can see it looks beautiful actually. So see you in the next video where I will render the fire.